Okay. Okay. Teachers.
Teachers.
Teachers room.
Teachers room.
Teachers
Teachers
are in
are in
the teachers room.
the teachers room.
Schedule.
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 Classroom.
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 There is a schedule
A schedule
in the classroom.
in the classroom.
Auditorium.
Auditorium.
Students
Students
sit
sit
in the auditorium.
in the auditorium.
Gym.
Gym.
I have a locker
A locker
for the gym.
for the gym.
Gym. I have a locker
A locker
for the gym.
for the gym.
What is the name of your school? What is the name of this school?
English class.
아발론 학원.
Right, Avalon, and it's a hard one. Where is your school?
인존주.
Yes, in Jeonju. Is this school like yours? How is it different? Let's skip that part.
Okay.
So we need to match two sentences. Repeat after me. Match
Match
the two
the two
sentences.
sentences.
So this is activity A. So my school
My school
has many
has many
classrooms.
classrooms.
What letter should one match to?
We study in
Very good. We study in them. There's a really big
There's
There's a really big
football field.
football field.
What should we match it to?
players playing on the field.
Excellent, excellent. The school
The school
has a nice
has a nice
cafeteria.
cafeteria.
What should we match it with?
I eat lunch there with my friends.
Good. There is a nice
There is a nice
auditorium.
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 What should we match it with?
We have lots of concerts in it.
Good. We have lots of concerts in it. So now we need to rewrite the sentences. So
I write to
now we rewrite the sentences.
okay.
Okay. So I'll give you 5 minutes to do that, and then we'll go over them. Okay. You can turn that off.